In this video, we will look at the student-side session features on Sanako Connect. First, an overview of the student interface. Here opens the chat box where you can write chat messages to everyone, your group, or your teacher. And here are the files your teacher has shared with you. Here are the exercises your teacher has shared with you. You can access the exercise from the Exercise tab at the top of your interface. Click on the exercise name to open it. Click Start to start working on the exercise, and Close to switch to working on another exercise. If you are using a language other than English, which require special accents or alphabetical letters that are not in the English language, click on Virtual Keypad. If at any point the student needs help, they can do so by selecting the chat icon and speaking directly to the teacher or to the group which they have been allocated to. After you are done working on the exercise, always remember to submit it to be reviewed by your teacher. Some exercises also require voice recording. To use the simple recorder, simply click on the red microphone button to start the recording. Then, click on the button again to stop the recording. You can then listen back to your recording that you have just created. To record again, you can click the microphone button and record again if the exercise allows it. To use the advanced recorder, an advanced recorder is used to record your voice on top of a master audio track. The red microphone button works the same as the simple recorder. However, your voice will be recorded next to the master track. Your recordings will appear on the timeline below the master track. You can navigate the master track and your recordings by clicking on the timeline. If you want to create a gap in the original audio track and insert your voice or answer, simply enable Voice Insert before clicking on the microphone button. You can also adjust the volume of both the master track and your voice track, the user track, from the volume control at the bottom of the recorder. So there you have it. It's as easy as that. Stay tuned for more instructional videos on how to use your Sanako Connect.